Today we are going to crochet a Romanian cord, and I'll show you how I count the stitches. You don't always have to count stitches with a Romanian cord, but in some patterns when I use them, it's good to know how I'm counting them so you can do the same and get the right number of stitches. So anyway, get your piece of yarn. We start off with a simple slip knot like this, and have it a semi-loose slip knot, not too tight. Okay, one chain, and then we'll go into the slip knot, yarn over, pull through. So you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. That's counted as the first stitch. Then you want to turn your work around counterclockwise back to front. And we are looking for the 2 loops here. I'll just zoom in so you can see it. You see that? And there's these 2 loops here, which is what we want. So with the longer loops so you can come around easier, put your hook under those 2 loops, tighten back your loop, yarn over, pull through. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. That's stitch number 2. And that's pretty much the foundation of how you start. You can also tighten your slip knot that you started off with at this stage. You can tighten them. You will always be looking for the side double loops like this, these 2. And you will find that you will always be turning your work back to front counterclockwise, like that. So we'll go on to stitch number 3. These 2 side, you will find that as you start this work, it's the beginning stages that's a bit fiddly, but that's like almost all crochet work, isn't it? These 2 side loops, yarn over, pull through those 2 side loops so that you end up with 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. So stitch number 4, these 2 side loops, pick up those 2 side loops, yarn over, pull through. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. So we'll do up to 10 stitches. So number 5, turn the work, yarn over, pull through those 2, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops on your hook. Number 6. You see the work is getting more definition and it's easier to work with. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Hook under the 2 side loops, turn the work, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we finished 10 stitches as I count them. So sometimes it's very easy to lose count as you're doing your work. So this is one way where you can double check your work. When you have 10 stitches, there will be 5 little curly whirlies, these scales here, and 5 on this side. So as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down here on this side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including this. So you have 10 stitches. So that's how you count them in case you lose your way. And you just carry on doing this, and that's a Romanian cord, which I use in some of my patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.